3, 2, 1.
What is a group of fish called? The answer is A. School. Which organ is the largest in human body? The answer is D. Liver. When the FBI raids the house in the movie Point Break, one suspect ends up shooting himself in the foot. The actor playing this character is better known as the lead singer of what famous group? The answer is A. Red Hot Chili Peppers. What is the primary source of energy in a hydroelectric power plant? The answer is D. Water energy. Which of these movies has Mark Ruffalo not appeared in? The answer is C. In the Bedroom. Which gas is produced when vinegar is heated? The answer is C. Carbon dioxide. What is a low, movable chair with 4 legs called? The answer is D. Stool. Which of these conditions most likely results from infection? The answer is B. Swelling of throat tissues. Who developed Maxwell's equations? The answer is B. James Clerk Maxwell. In what 1934 film did Shirley Temple sing this song, which won 69th position on the American Film Institute Top 100 Movie Songs list? The answer is A. Bright Eyes. Statoliths are starch-filled plastids that enable plant roots to detect what force? The answer is C. Gravity. Which mathematician introduced the concept of matrices? The answer is D. James Joseph Sylvester. Near-Earth asteroids cross paths with the Earth, meaning they could collide. What are the paths called? The answer is B. Orbits. Which is the tallest mountain on Earth? The answer is A. Mount Everest. Who designed the first unisex perfume in 1972? The answer is D. Yves Saint Laurent. At the time of birth, bones of the brain case are separated by what wide areas of fibrous connective tissue, which later become sutures? The answer is A. Fontanelles. Who are the presidents on Mount Rushmore? The answer is C. Washington, Jefferson T. Roosevelt, Lincoln. Which document establishes the United States government structure? The answer is C. The Constitution. What is the first programming language developed for a computer? The answer is A. Python. Sugars, starches, and cellulose are examples of what biochemical compounds that organisms use for energy. The answer is A. Carbohydrates. Which plant grows without soil? The answer is C. Lichen. What is the missing part of the saying make a silk purse out of A? The answer is C. Sow's ear. What is the official ball used in soccer?
The answer is C. Football.
What fruit has a seed encased in a hard shell that is often referred to as a nut? The answer is C. Walnut. Who is the Greek equivalent of the Roman god Jupiter? The answer is A. Zeus. Bromine is much less abundant than fluorine or chlorine, but it is easily recovered from seawater, which contains about 65 ng of Br- per watt. The answer is B. Liter. If food is cooked, what kind of energy is added to it? The answer is C. Hotness. What is the study of the properties, structure, and reactions of substances called? The answer is B. Chemistry. What bodily structures consist of the endothelium and its basal lamina? The answer is C. Capillaries. What is the name given to the watery part of milk left after making cheese? The answer is D. Whey. When the nucleus divides, the two chromatids that make up each chromosome separate from each other and move to opposite poles of the cell during this process. The answer is A. Mitosis. Which country has the most veto power in the United Nations Security Council? The answer is A. China. In what year was MTV launched? The answer is A. 1981. Who is the host of Jeopardy since 2021? The answer is D. Ken Jennings. What is the main function of scales on a fish? The answer is A. To protect the fish. Which painting has a hidden image of a rabbit in it? The answer is A. Starry Night. Which vehicle uses solar power for propulsion? The answer is D. Solar-powered car. What travels at a rate of 300,000 kilometers per second, or nearly instantaneously? The answer is A. Light. What are the two main parts of the human nervous system? The answer is A. Brain, spinal cord. Which ancient language is often referred to as the mother of all languages? The answer is A. Sanskrit. Which law states that the force acting on an object is equal to its mass times acceleration? The answer is B. Newton's second law. James Dean was not interested in which of the following? The answer is B. Fencing. What are the taste receptors found as tiny bumps on the tongue called? The answer is D. Taste buds. Which fashion designer is known for his new look? The answer is D. Christian Dior. Which one is not a type of computer memory? The answer is D. RAM. What is the name of the process that removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere? The answer is A. Photosynthesis. Which planet takes approximately 1 sidereal day to rotate on its axis? The answer is C. Earth. In The Simpsons, what is Bart Simpson's school principal's name? The answer is D. Ned Flanders. Which territory is an autonomous province of Denmark? The answer is D. Greenland. What is the smallest fruit in the world?